Today is National Endangered Species Day, and so we're here to celebrate that, and we're also here to celebrate some of the accomplishments that we at the San Diego Zoo and our partners like the Fish and Wildlife Service have made with endangered species conservation. And we're going to celebrate some reasons for hope. We're sharing success stories from some of our projects with endangered species. Well, one of the things we're trying to do is restore the natural ecosystem, and we can do that by bringing back some of the species that we've lost. And one of the important species here in Southern California is the mountain yellow legged frog. And we've been working with the Fish and Wildlife Service, U.S. Geological Service, and others to breed these animals in our labs at the San Diego Zoo Institute for Conservation Research and release them back to the wild. And recently we have released eggs, and we're about to release some tadpoles into some streams up in Riverside County in the mountains there. One of the other reasons for hope that we have to share today is that we're working with species like these incredibly endangered iguanas in the Caribbean. And we're head starting them, we're raising them up to a size that they're safe from predators in the wild, and then we're releasing them. And one of those is the endangered Angada Iguana. And because of our efforts of releasing these back to the wild, we've actually grown the wild population by more than 30%. One of the other reasons for hope that we have is the work we're doing in South America with the endangered Andean Condor. Much like the California condor, we're working to reestablish this species in its native habitat. And working with partners around the world, we've now released more than 80 of these individuals back to the wild and helped establish a thriving population there. In fact, just a couple of weeks ago, we released an Andean condor that was bred right here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park.
The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service recognizes recovery champions in an annual contest that recognizes individuals and organizations that have made a significant contribution to the recovery of endangered species. Mike Mace, in his role in recovering the California condor and the endangered light-footed clackerel, was the Pacific Southwest region's winner for the recovery champion.
We share this environment with all of these incredible organisms, and that's important for us when we're working with these endangered species to know that they are environmental indicators for our own livelihood. And that's important for us to help tell people that as we do these outreach programs, that we're all sharing this space together. And if we take care of them, it in turn takes care of us. And we are those stewards for all those creatures and all those ecosystems.